My name is Ozana Juska. I'm the founder and CEO of Tooliers, which is an online platform with strategic tools to help small and medium-sized companies get big. And I'll show you how it works. OT is a company that imports and distributes consumable goods. Their biggest challenge is that they have pressure continuously from supermarkets to decrease their prices. So they use Marketing Lens, one of our tools, and that is an X-ray of the marketing functionality of the business. And George, the business owner, understood that he needs to be continuously communicating with his end user, his clients, people like you and me that buy his products from the supermarket, in order to determine these people to buy on price efficiency rather than on price. That is to buy best quality, best value for money rather than price. By doing this, he would strengthen his brand. He will decrease the power of supermarkets, and that leads to increased sales and profit margins. Then he liked the tool, so he said, I've got loads of other problems. For example, I have high staff turnaround, so people come and go from my company. So he tried Business Lens, which is a tool that looks at everything that matters in a business. He realized that one of the problems was himself as the business leader. Because of his belief that a lot of the people in his company do not really matter and do not really bring much value, he created a culture in the company that didn't account for the needs of his employees. So by using Business Lens and the report, he developed a recruitment strategy to attract and retain the good people. And he's in the process of changing his culture such that he creates an environment in his company that is nice and makes his employees feel happy in his company. He's also redesigning his motivational package and system such that people are more motivated to work in his company. You may wonder how this works. Well, you fill in a questionnaire online, multiple choice, and there is a report being generated automatically after you finish, based on an algorithm. The algorithm is the secret sauce of our tools. It is developed based on multi-billion research, and it incorporates the latest discoveries and theories in business. It basically shows the gap between best practices and the company itself. The bigger the gap, the more growth potential there is. In this here complex graph, you see the 15 business dimensions that matter for a business. You see some dimensions have a lower score and some dimensions have a higher score. You have to look for those with the lowest score because this is where your growth potential is. We split one dimension into sub-dimensions, and we go into the nitty-gritty of the business. So for example, George can say to his employee, John, you've done a great job today. That is a way of motivating John, and it doesn't cost George anything to do. That is called performance recognition in public, and it's one non-financial, non-monetary motivational factor. This is a screenshot of the report where you have a lot of explanations about every dimension of the business, and you have to look for the red flags. This is where your growth potential is. So I hope that you see value in the self-diagnosis tool that I presented. They are extremely affordable. The price is around $50. And they only take about 30 minutes to do versus a couple of weeks that you would spend with a consultant to get exactly to the same report and results. We currently have 16 tools on the platform. However, the growth comes from other people putting their tools in our marketplace. So Tooliers will become the app store of business tools. Just to recap, we have entrepreneurs and managers that use the tools on their company. We have consultants to use the tools on their clients to provide better value-added services and to be more relevant to their clients. And we have the tool developers. Today is a special day for us because we go live. So please go and try our tools and improve your business and take it to the next level. Thank you.
Thank you.